So here we are. I'm going to go ahead and launch Remotely Possible, and it's going to find all the computers that Remotely Possible is running on. I'm going to go ahead and select my home theater, and it quickly connects up, shows the list of applications that I can control, and I'm going to go ahead and start Windows Media Center. Now that Media Center is started, I'm going to control it using gestures. Now in this mode, I don't even have to look at the remote. I can just put the remote down and control the screen, but I'll just go ahead and show you how it's synced up. So sliding around the menus, we'll go into the music library, and you can move around in any direction, and also flick in any direction, and stop the flick where I want. And also back out, and I can, instead of gestures, we can do hard-coded buttons. It's got multiple panels of buttons that you can have. So here we're just going arrow keys, go in, navigate around the menus. I can play something and stop it. And also go ahead and play that again. Using the hardware volume controls on the iPod, I can change the volume on Media Center, and it'll stay synced up with what you see on the screen. I'll go ahead and mute that. You can skip to the next song, stop, go back, and you can toggle between the two control mechanisms if you want to look at the remote or not, whichever control mechanism you like. I'm going to switch over to the gestures. Go ahead and close Media Center. Now, when I launch a different application, I'm going to go ahead and launch Hulu Desktop. And I'll use gestures to move around the menus, or just start watching. Use the hardware buttons to change the volume. Pause, go back to the menu, or you can exit out of Hulu. So we'll go into the edit menu for this PC, and you can actually move these things around if you want to change the order in which things are laid out. You can also edit the buttons and the gestures. I'm just going to quickly show you editing a button here. We will go ahead and change the play button. We can change the picture, change the sizes, and whatnot. You can turn it on and off. We can also edit the layout simply by dragging and dropping, and we'll go ahead and make a drastic change there. And then get out of edit mode, and you'll see the button has been changed to the location that you want. And you can move it to any one of the screens that you want. And then you can also go back into edit mode. You can save your entire layout and all your changes to the PC. I've already got one on here for a remote control system that looks kind of like the Xbox remote. I'm going to go ahead and download the profile. You can see the server said that it sent me the profile, and the iPod app here says that I've received it. And here's my new profile. All the buttons have been changed all the way around. So you can do quite a lot of customization to this layout. You can save them, share them, back them up, make lots of modifications to it.